Hello, Prices people. This is the Prices Pearl Life with me, Katrina, and I'm here today trying to find a piece for my home. I wanted to find something that was a little not too antique, but something, a period piece that would go in my kitchen to give me extra storage, and another place, of course, to put a vignette or to decorate. And I found a piece. I brought my handy dandy measuring tape just to see how well it would fit into the space, and it's perfect for the space. And the price, when I tell you how much it costs, now I have to put a little work into it, but the price, I can't beat it. So I'll turn the camera around and let you see what I'm purchasing today. So that hand pad, that says this piece is mom approved. I purchased it from the CLM resale store in Mounts Corner, South Carolina. Stay tuned for the transformation, and I'm going to share with you just how much I purchased this cabinet for. Just keep watching. First things first, I'll use my Simply Green multi-purpose cleaner, and we'll give this cabinet a real good cleaning. So this video is part of my summer house update series for 2023. Make sure to watch the entire playlist. For this project, my paint of choice is Beyond Paint, and the color of choice is pewter. So I ordered my Beyond Paint from Amazon. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description box below. So at this point, my heart is racing because this is good quality wood. And I'm thinking, Trina, whatever you do, just don't mess it up. So if you're new here, welcome, and I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am Katrina, and on my channel, well, it's a lifestyle channel, and I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking vlogs, shopping hauls, and every now and then, a little DIY. If these are things that interest you, by all means, come on and join my growing YouTube family. I'd love to have you. So come on, talk to me, family. Let me know, are you tackling any small or large DIY projects around the house? Make sure to leave a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you're new here, make sure to say hi. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I like chatting, you know I like talking, so leave your comment as well. Make sure you're following me on social media. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, both at The Priceless Pearl Life. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's video. And congratulations again goes out to Coretta Bailey for being my latest giveaway winner. So my new tea and snack station sits on the opposite side of the main portion of my kitchen. Just in case you were wondering, because I've never shown you this wall before, because there was nothing interesting on it until now. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.